So today now we're working on this Claas 46 narrow pickup, no chopper. So one we used to have, it had a wide pickup. So when I said wide, see the chamber is the same width. Ours was out about there. And when you had see where it goes straight in, just these tiny stoppers are coming out. Ours then had a rotor there, and you could put blades underneath to chop the silage in. But we never use a chopper, but the rotors do help to make a more solid bale. It sort of spreads the stuff evenly into the chamber. So yeah, and there's Mchale find it. It reminds me how ours was before we got that. I know it's like 20 years difference, newer one, but you can definitely see they've improved. Okay, let's see this has got string as well. See the arm going back for it, and net. So the net system on this Claas, which it has a bar on it for pressure, and goes over some a spreader bar and through some rollers, is actually very similar to our Mchale. So see that bar comes down on it for pressure, it goes through some rods, and see the spreading bar there goes on rollers. So it's fairly similar design to the old Claas really, that way. Quite simple net system. So like I said about narrow pickup, would be there, but when the wide pickup sort of brings out there. So that's what I show now. We've just done the bearings on the roller here, so I'll show a video now of it all stripped apart then. So that's how we got the keyway out. Is we welded some, pretty substantial thread rod on it. Slid a big piece of box section so it went over all this in the shaft, and then put a big plate on here and a nut and pull out like that. Okay, thank you for watching, and that's it for me for now then.